Hello, today I will tell you how to check RAM size and speed on Windows 10 or Windows 11. You need a Task Manager open. Next, you need to switch to the Performance tab. All information about RAM is available in the Performance tab. Here you can see the percentage of RAM usage. It is possible to see the total RAM size. You can also see the RAM speed. You can see the amount of RAM available. I really hope this information was useful to you. Please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel.